Y'all, good morning, good morning. Today's video gonna be about how to grease a fifth wheel in a semi, man. I'm up here in Georgia. I've been up here in Georgia for a while now, actually, running local. Georgia, South Carolina, Florida, Alabama, stuff like that. Starting like I'm looking for a stick now to spread the grease. That's what I'm looking for right now. See? Boom. Man, look. I'm gonna unhook the trailer. Once I unhook the trailer, I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. A pretty good trip, you know what I mean? Hey, first thing first, before you crank up any commercial vehicle, even your own vehicle, do this right here. Check your coolant, right? You see the line right there? That's my coolant, so it's at the proper level. Now I'm gonna check my oil. Always wipe it back off again. Boom, my oil good. You see that right there? A little black, I need to get that changed, but we'll get that changed though. The next thing I'm gonna do is check my belt. Make sure there ain't no play in it like that. Don't get me wrong, I think it's a 1/4 inch play or 3/4 play, something like that. I just want to make sure y'all know how to do your pre-trip on the truck, right? Check sure ain't no holes leaking, right? Everything good, everything good. She been running how she's supposed to run, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to you. But that enough with that. So I'm gonna teach y'all how to drop a trailer in this video too. Check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out. Right? Y'all don't worry about why I'm in shorts and in the regular shirt. It's my off day. Right? Not a lot of people do it, but I always hook them back up where they go. I'll show y'all in a minute. And the reason why I'm dropping this right now is so I can put grease on my fifth wheel. If your fifth wheel is dry and you got time, I don't know what that is. Y'all see that? If you got time, grease your fifth wheel. Preferably, you could buy it from Walmart. You could buy it from the parts store. You could buy anything, just a tube of grease. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. But I had to buy it from a truck stop, one that near me. If you in Georgia, y'all understand my problem. But that being said, I gotta grease it. So y'all can come along with me doing this. You know what I mean? We made a video about it because I didn't make a video in a long time. Plus, it's great content. Plus, people need to see this getting into the game. They think all it is you just driving straight forward, backing up a couple times. You know what I mean? So, no, it's not that. You're gonna have to do maintenance. Maintenance is the key to running a successful business. Right? So, that being said, y'all know how we do. It don't want to come. But did y'all see what I was saying? Look how dry it is, right? But I'm gonna teach y'all a hack. So here go my grease, right? Found this on the ground. I got a stick to rub it out. tedious work, but it gotta be done. Got to be done, my boy. This would be so much better if I had a grease gun. But it's alright, we may do. I don't know what happened, but the phone cut off. Normally you won't have to use a whole tube of grease, but I ain't got no grease gun. But here's the finished product. As y'all can see, no spots that's dry. I had to clean, I had to make sure everything was good. You see how everything's oil. But if your fifth wheel is dry, it can start a fire. Remember that, it's a rhyme. If your fifth wheel is dry, it can start a fire. And just so y'all can see, it was dry. So that being said, I did it like that. And like I said once before, I'm gonna say it again. I know I'm gonna have people coming for me talking about, oh, why you use the whole tube of grease? It don't take that much. It don't take that much to do this. Why you ain't wearing gloves? You gonna get your hands dirty? I ain't trying to hear none of that. I ain't got no grease gun. I literally found this on the side of the street. It's stick in the grass over here. I got my fifth wheel done. That simple. Use all the extra grease that I can. Also, I gotta buy a grease gun for sure this time, because I gotta do all my fittings. That's the next thing I'm gonna do. Let me know if y'all want to see that in the video. We're gonna grease the whole truck, all the fittings. I'm gonna show you what fittings is. Fittings are those things right here. It's basically to keep everything moving properly on the truck. Got one on the fifth wheel as well. Y'all, and just like that, we're gonna end this video, man. I appreciate y'all for watching. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Appreciate the like. Appreciate the subscribing, because we're going up. I'm telling y'all, we're going up. But that's just a little show y'all how I do a little bit of maintenance here, maintenance there. Like I said before, let me know in the comments if y'all want me to do that the fittings, the grease and fittings video all the way around the truck. Under the hood, the axles. I'm not actually talking about the literal axle. Let me say that before people try to come for me. I'm saying around the axle, like the little pieces that I showed you. But besides that, man, everything good. Also, y'all gonna ask why I kept on hooking and hooking. I didn't like the height. My fifth wheel went in too easy, had play in it, so I lowered the trailer down, back under it. But that being said, man, y'all keep them tires about stuff up.